So we're back in North Wales and we're in an industrial site. We are heading somewhere over here. I think that's Trefair in the background. I think we're heading over here somewhere. The quarry where the zip line is over there. We're looking for Lech Duck Spur. Lech Duck Spur. Is that about right in Welsh? Possibly. Yeah, and we're going to finish by a pub, which is good. Whether it says food or not, it's not a problem, as long as it sells beer. But apparently, from what I read on the forums, it's a Welsh speaking pub. Can you speak Welsh? How can I? I think beer sounds the same in every language, doesn't it?
Good point.
I know the route, I just don't know how to get to the route. It was at a house for sale, I'd buy one and live here. I don't think Kate would be happy if I bought a house here. I thought it was a butterfly then. There's a road and we found a cave. This is where Alan spends most nights.
Yeah, that's where I'm camping at.
He sleeps in there.
Hello? Oh wait, say hello. Hello.
So Alan was in charge of directions, he got us lost in the woods. So we're doing a bit of ducking and diving at the moment. I told him the cave was the right way, but he didn't want to listen. Right, this wasn't part of the plan. Definitely not part of the plan. This is what it's become. We're climbing trees, not mountains, trees. Right, there's a lot of nettles. How's it going? I'll tell you in a minute. It's getting darker. Ow. And we're back on track. Well, when I say we're on track, we're not where we're meant to be, but we're not climbing through bushes. You can hear that waterfall. What's our next problem? We've got to get across it. What did you say when we left the car? Let's not enter the forest.
That's what I said. I said, why you would not to be going into the forest.
So how do we end up in the forest?
Don't be blaming me on this one.
You listen to the Welsh fella who wasn't Welsh. Wow, some power in that to lift them trees out. Glad I wasn't here when that one happened.
Nearly. What the hell's that?
The trees talking. So we've just had a bollocking
Again.
by the farmer. At least we didn't get shot, that's one thing. Alan lost a trainer and had to go back for it. Hence why he's squeaking with water in his socks. And then I fell down a bog. And in terms of mountains, they're over there. But we're not going over there right now, we're going over here. The day isn't going as planned. Don't ask. Look at that for a dollop of feces. Well, the good news is we're out the woods, we're out the field with the bulls, and we can finally find a mountain. And a clear day with no clouds in November. I would have put winter boots on if I knew it was this boggy. But hey, up, we're here now. What's that?
Which one I'm trying to get to?
Funny though, the car's in the village. Somehow we end up in them woods instead of just coming straight through the village. So we're just on the way to Cairn Dafford. That was the one I was on the other week when it was 40-mile-an-hour winds. Sturge, which is a great hot scrap. We don't want to be going through these bogs in darkness. Biggest concern is we are running late. We don't think we're going to be down before dark. So that's the decision whether we do this or if we don't. So me and Alan have had about a 45-minute sit down. We're both knackered. Mine's down to the burpee challenge, Alan's is down to old age. Yeah, we need a man up. That's what we need to do. I've still got 37 burpees to do on I think day 21 of my burpee challenge, or day 20. I have to give him stick for using the old man walking trekking poles. I borrowed one before to cross the river, and I must admit, it might be a good investment. He was looking for a black spider.
Looking for a black dog. 3 of them.
Black spider? No. We got sheep remains. Alan's remains might end up a bit further up. My remains will be after the burpees. Crazy. Yes, we are. Just get me out of here. I bet it all on the two of us. It's like a geriatric, isn't he? The time, Mr. Wolf, is 2:15. So the next part of this is to go up this little bit of screen, and there's a ramp here where them 2 people are, and then that takes you onto the ridge. And there's that fella. Yeah, he's waving. Okay, I think I'm having a nightmare here. That must be the bad stuff. It looks like Tower Gaff. No, it's not Tower Gaff. So, Alan thought because he's got athlete's foot, it makes him an athlete. Oh, I've got Lose H40 here. I've still got 1 bottle, and I've got 1 protein bar left. Just think, we almost quit by that water down there. And then Alan gave a set of balls, and then I manned up. Just come up there where you can see Alan, and here we go. Smile. Ooh. There we go. More's the handholds. Welcome to the ridge. Lech Dwysber. In the distance, for the first time in Wales, I've actually seen the Irish mountains in the far distance. Language out of him. You wouldn't hear that from me, would you? Yeah, it's a doddle. You won't hear any bad language out of me today. Second bad language. Yeah. Ooh. Ooh. Just got a little bit of exposure right there. There's a bit of a drop. I am scraping my arse like a dog, and I don't care. I've just done that. I think it was the bad stuff. It looks like a Christmas tree. Yeah, I'm just on a tricky part. The line just on triceps. Ooh. Hang on. Ooh. got rope in the car, but it's no good up here. Take leg onto that little one there. And then I used that other hold in front here. It's two of us made these decisions, not just one of us. Feet, see them little narrow ledges? Once you get one foot in, it's on the right angle, that's it, yeah. I think I don't mind the opposite way though. Ooh. Get to that summit. And then we're halfway there now. Whoa! Living on a prayer. Take my hand, we'll make it, I swear now. Whoa! Oh, getting steep now. The whole place goes into darkness in about 20-25 minutes time. Wow, look at them mountains. What a view as the sun is setting. Snowdon's the big triangle one in the back. Today we're back on Cairn-y-Dafydd, it's windy yet again. Look at that sun. The sun's going down very quickly now. It's Penny-Olan over there from last month. I just found Alan. Hello darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again. I want to get out of this boulder field before that disappears. Jesus, he's having a go at me because I like the poles. He thinks he's a funny guy. 20, 17 to go. 21, my feet are killing me. That's 27, 10 to go. One more. 37. I'm still descending. Someone on Yukon just flashed its on. Can you see it? Someone coming down Yukon, the north side. Right, Alan has brought some Jaeger. We're on the Jaeger train. Choo choo!